Instytut Ceramiki i Materiałów Budowlanych jest jedynym w kraju instytutem pracującym w całości nad nowoczesnymi technologiami bazującymi na przetwórstwie surowców niemetalicznych. Wyniki naszych prac mają zastosowanie we wszystkich dziedzinach gospodarki i życia codziennego, poczynając od hutnictwa, a na zdrowiu kończąc. Rada Ministrów określiła 6 obszarów strategicznych badawczych dla polskiej nauki. Wyniki prac w tych obszarach są w dużym stopniu uzależnione od wyników prac Instytutu. Stwarza to bardzo dobre perspektywy rozwoju dla naszej kadry naukowo-badawczej.
The Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials has 60 years of experience in research and scientific work on processing non-metallic materials. It specializes in research and development as well as implementation of technologies for producing glass, ceramics, refractory, and building materials. The Institute is engaged in a number of projects funded from national and European sources, including the 7th Framework Program and the Life Plus program. The Institute has been qualified as a Category A research unit by the Ministry of Science and Higher Education. The Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials closely cooperates with the industry in developing new technologies or modernizing the existing ones for the production of glass, ceramic products, refractory, and building materials. Its modern laboratories are equipped with state-of-the-art apparati and testing facilities. The Institute uses technological equipment for experimental production that is unique at the European level. The Institute steadily broadens and modernizes its scientific and research offer, presents new technological and material solutions, as well as innovative research methods. The Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials includes headquarters in Warsaw, Glass and Building Materials Division in Krakow, Refractory Materials Division in Gliwice, Building Materials Engineering Division in Opole. Warsaw, a modern European capital city of business, science, and culture. At the Warsaw Center, scientists identify problems, directly participate in industrial projects, create and evaluate innovative practical solutions, conducting research works in conditions similar to those of actual industrial production. Their activities also include studying and manufacturing biomaterials such as ceramic blocks for prosthetic restoration, cements for filling tooth defects, implants for reconstruction of the ear auditory apparatus.
Rozwój współczesnego społeczeństwa informacyjnego w dużym stopniu zależy od poziomu i jakości naszej codziennej komunikacji. Wady słuchu odgrywają bardzo ważną rolę w tej komunikacji. Jedną z większych, poważniejszych grup, która ma problemy ze słuchem, są pacjenci, u których doszło do uszkodzenia najmniejszych kosteczek słuchowych, najmniejszych elementów w uchu środkowym. Wspólnie z Instytutem Ceramiki i Materiałów Budowlanych udało się stworzyć znakomity produkt, specjalny cement, który pozwolił połączyć te elementy. Dzięki temu już dziś tysiące osób dobrze słyszy.
The Institute owes its leading market position primarily to its highly qualified staff who care for its development and prestige. The Department of Ceramic Technology engages in research of, for example, solid and porous construction materials, materials for heating elements, ceramic materials of high mechanical strength, materials resistant to thermal shocks in a high temperature working range. Ceramic materials applied to new technologies should be free from porosity and defects. This type of improved modern ceramic materials can be produced at the Department of Nanotechnology, where they are sintered in a hot isostatic press.
Mamy tutaj wysokotemperaturową prasę izostatyczną. To jest tego typu pierwsze urządzenie w Polsce, mogące generować ciśnienie 3000 atmosfer i jednocześnie temperaturę do 2000 stopni. Tego typu prasy na całym świecie służą do produkcji unikatowych materiałów. W naszym przypadku posłużyła nam do wytworzenia ceramik przezroczystych, też pierwszych w Polsce. Dzięki temu możemy wytwarzać ceramiki przezroczyste na potrzeby optoelektroniki i obronności.
The Department of Decoration Agents solves technological problems of producing colors for decorating ceramics, glass, and enameled surfaces. It is our task to put forward new solutions and proposals. Therefore, the department, combining tradition and modernity, develops new technologies of decorating ceramic products, including laser methods, which produce very interesting effects. The Concrete Research Center, CEBET, has high achievements in research and implementation of the technologies of aggregate and aerated concrete, as well as in the technology of manufacturing semi-finished concrete products. Licenses and accreditations guarantee high-quality research conducted at a modern laboratory where, for example, material analyses of glass and ceramics are performed. For many years, the Institute has been cooperating with the industry in the area of product certification and quality management system. It employs experienced staff, and the certificates it has obtained add to its reliability in the eyes of market participants. Creativity, unconventional thinking, passion, and the search for new solutions, being open to modern ideas. That is the potential we offer our customers. Krakow, a city of kings, artists, and scientists. The Glass and Building Materials Division is one of the oldest scientific centers specializing in building materials and glass. Its superbly equipped laboratories, highly qualified research, scientific and technical staff, as well as its many years of experience, guarantee the highest quality of executed projects and services. In a full cycle of research and implementation, we develop new technologies and improve the existing ones in the field of building material production. A notified Center of Certification and Normalization of Building Products is active in Krakow. We perform physical and chemical analyses with the most modern equipment, including an XRD diffractometer, a thermobalance, and an XRF spectrometer. We perform accredited qualitative and quantitative tests of building materials, including cements, concretes, mortars, and aggregates, as well as raw materials for their production. We specialize in tests of chemical building products, including tests of flame propagation speed and reaction to fire. We have at our disposal the only specialized laboratory in Poland for testing glass and its manufacturing technology. On a notification of the European Economic Commission, we perform homologation tests of car glass. The scope of our services has been extended to include materials for monument conservation on the basis of Roman cement, which have been used for restoration of a number of historic buildings in Poland and in Europe. Gliwice, a city of science and technology. The Refractory Materials Division in Gliwice, having its origins in the former Institute of Refractory Materials, actively cooperates with prominent representatives of the steel, coke, and cement industries. Our center specializes in research and development works in the area of new technology and application of refractory materials, offering a complex range of services from scientific research to development works and expert opinions. The division manufactures technical ceramic products and unformed refractory materials. Thanks to their high quality and functional parameters, the products belong to the highest class in the branch of refractory materials. Scientific research is conducted in professional laboratories with the range of analyses including materials for high-temperature applications, as well as a whole spectrum of raw materials and inorganic products, which contributes to the laboratories being abundantly equipped with specialist apparati. For 30 years, the division has organized the International Conference of Metallurgical Engineering to promote the knowledge of refractory materials. Opola, the capital of Polish music, is also a vibrant academic and research center. The Building Materials Engineering Division has actively supported Polish cement and lime industry for several decades. Our division has specialized in developing and implementing new technologies of building material production with usage of waste materials. We conduct studies on reducing fuel and energy consumption in production processes of building materials while using renewable energy sources. We concentrate on environment-protecting technologies with a particular emphasis on air protection, rational management of industrial and municipal waste in accordance with the economic principles limiting the use of resources. Specialized accredited laboratories perform physiochemical tests of combustion byproducts, control measurements of industrial dust and gas emission, analyses of pollution in the soil, water, and sewage, noise measurements, and many other tests. The division also manufactures control and measuring equipment and laboratory devices for tests of building materials. The scope of activities is supplemented with scientific and technological consulting services, as well as with organization of training courses within the specialization area of individual industrial plants. The Opola division organizes the International Scientific Conference on Energy and Environment, dealing with technologies of building, ceramic, glass, and refractory materials. Modernization of technologies of clinker firing, raw material mills, clinker grate coolers, rotary chilled heat exchanger, application of alternative fuels, development of a technology of used tires combustion, recovery of waste heat in the process of clinker firing. These are only a few examples of research projects carried out by the Opola team and successfully implemented in industry. The aim of the research conducted by the Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials is to strengthen the position of Polish industry in Europe and in the world, to increase its competitivity through innovations in products and technologies, or energy-saving technological processes. Over many years of its activity, the Institute has developed and patented a number of innovative solutions for which it received numerous international awards and prestigious honors. The The Institute's scope of activity comprises a full commercialization cycle from basic research to implementation. It also includes promoting and marketing scientific and technological achievements, with particular attention being paid to popularizing science in the media and publicizing innovative projects. The Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials is a modern institute with traditions.